Today, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods to your Shopify store. This is essential for ensuring your customers have multiple options to complete their purchases, which can significantly boost your conversion rates and make checkout smoother for everyone. First, open your web browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in as the store owner or admin, as you'll need the proper permissions to modify payment settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. From here, click on Settings. This will open up all the core configuration options for your store, including everything from general store details to advanced features. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar again. Here, you'll see various settings categories. Click on Payments. This section is where you manage all the ways customers can pay you, from credit cards to digital wallets and alternative payment providers. Now that you're inside the Payments page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Additional Payment Methods. This is where you can expand beyond the default payment options and add specialized providers that suit your business needs or customer preferences. Click on Add Payment Method. This action opens up a search interface that allows you to browse through hundreds of available payment providers that integrate with Shopify. In the search bar that appears, type in the payment method you're looking for. For example, you might search for Visa and MasterCard if you want to enable those card types. The search will display compatible payment providers that support your desired payment types. Now, carefully review the available payment methods that appear in the results. Choose the one that best fits your needs and, importantly, make sure you already have an account with that payment provider. For instance, if you see Windcave Payments and you have an account with them, click on it, then click Install to begin the integration process. After clicking Install, Shopify will redirect you to a new tab where the payment provider's integration page will load. You'll need to click Install again on this page to confirm the connection. This double confirmation ensures that you're intentionally adding this payment method to your store. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your account with that payment provider. Enter your login credentials for the payment service you're integrating. Once you've successfully logged in, the system will automatically link your payment provider account with your Shopify store, and it will be added as a new payment method available at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully added a new payment method to your Shopify store, giving your customers more flexibility and potentially increasing your sales. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.